Radial keratotomy is a surgery that was done really in the 70s and the 80s, maybe early 90s in the United States. It's also done for longer in other parts of the world in the 2000s. What it did was it made slices, radial slices, like kind of like a pizza pie or a wagon wheel. It made radial slices in the cornea with essentially a scalpel type of device, a knife, that would actually weaken the cornea, cause it to bow in, and cause a refractive effect. The problem is those slices permanently weaken the cornea, and because they're made by hand, each slice is different. It's a different depth, it's a different length, because no one can make the same exact slice in a cornea 8 times in a row or 4 times in a row. So each one has a different effect, causing an irregular cornea. Those irregularities cause double vision. They cause glare at night. They cause limitation of vision. They cause scattering of light. Those irregularities are what we fix by actually reshaping the cornea to make a normal shape again. I can't get rid of those slits, those slices, but I can get rid of the effect they have on the cornea to make a normal corneal shape again, and without create protocol, which also takes into account the actual epithelium compensation for those irregularities. We're creating almost virtually a perfect cornea, as perfect as we can, a more uniform cornea on every single RK patient.